Welcome. In this short guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to upload or change your Facebook profile photo using the updated app version. Whether you're setting it up for the very first time or just refreshing your look, the process is quick and easy to follow. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your personal profile. Once you're on the main home screen, look at the bottom or top menu and tap on your profile picture or your name to open your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, focus on your current profile photo. Tap directly on it. A few options will appear, giving you different ways to update your picture. Choose the option that says Upload Photo. This is where you'll select a new picture straight from your phone's gallery or camera roll. Take a moment to browse through your photos and pick the one that best represents you. Maybe it's a favorite selfie, a group photo, or something professional for work. Once you've chosen, tap on it to continue. Facebook will show you a preview of your new profile photo so you can make adjustments before finalizing it. Adjust the size and position of the photo using your fingers. You can zoom in, move it around, or center it just the way you like. When it looks perfect, tap. Save. Facebook will instantly update and replace your old photo with the new one. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your new Facebook profile photo. It's a small change, but it helps your friends recognize you and keeps your profile fresh. For the best results, choose a clear, bright photo that reflects your personality. Thanks for watching.